Today's Padlet focuses on curation. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to define curation and identify examples and non-examples of curation. But why is it important? Well, it aids your skills of collection and organization. It helps us to focus on information, and it improves our higher order thinking skills. As you explore the resources, you'll learn what curators do. The resources will help break down skills you need to curate well. And at the end, there are 4 test yourself resources. They'll show you something, and you have to decide if it is an example or a non-example of curation and how you know. Even if you've never heard the word curate or curation before, I bet you do it all the time, every day. In the real world, we see collections being brought together in the form of playlists or exhibits at a museum. Authors curate different works into anthologies, which is a collection of written words. Even best of and top 10 lists are curations. And as you can see, there's several more examples of where you see curation in the real world. I would love to hear from you on an example of curation you've observed.